1. Anemia. A condition characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin. 2. Leukemia. A cancer of the blood-forming tissues, leading to an abnormal increase in white blood cells. 3. Polycythemia. An abnormal increase in the number of red blood cells in the blood. 4. Thrombosis. The formation of a blood clot inside a blood vessel, obstructing blood flow. 5. Hemophilia. A genetic disorder causing impaired blood clotting. 6. Hypertension. Persistently high blood pressure. 7. Hypertension. Abnormally low blood pressure. 8. Arrhythmia. An irregular heartbeat, either too fast or too slow. 9. Bradycardia. A slower than normal heart rate. 10. Tachycardia. A faster than normal heart rate. 11. Atherosclerosis. The buildup of fatty deposits inside arteries, leading to reduced blood flow. 12. Stroke. A medical emergency caused by interrupted blood supply to the brain. 13. Epilepsy. A neurological disorder marked by recurrent seizures. 14. Parkinson's disease. A progressive neurological disorder affecting movement and coordination. 15. Alzheimer's disease. A progressive brain disorder leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. 16. Migraine. A severe headache often accompanied by nausea and sensitivity to light. 17. Osteoporosis. A condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. 18. Arthritis. Inflammation of the joints, causing pain and stiffness. 19. Gout. A type of arthritis caused by the accumulation of uric acid crystals in joints. 20. Scoliosis. A lateral curvature of the spine. 21. Diabetes mellitus. A metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels. 22. Hypoglycemia. Abnormally low blood sugar levels. 23. Hyperglycemia. Abnormally high blood sugar levels. 24. Cirrhosis. Chronic liver damage leading to scarring and impaired liver function. 25. Hepatitis. Inflammation of the liver, often caused by viral infection. 26. Jaundice. Yellowing of the skin and eyes due to high bilirubin levels. 27. Asthma. A respiratory condition causing difficulty in breathing due to airway inflammation. 28. COPD. A group of lung diseases that block airflow and make breathing difficult. 29. Tuberculosis. A bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs. 30. Pneumonia. Inflammation of the lungs caused by infection. 31. Cystic fibrosis. A genetic disorder affecting the lungs and digestive system. 32. Hypoxia. A condition in which the body or a region of the body is deprived of adequate oxygen supply. 33. Hypothermia. Abnormally low body temperature. 34. Hyperthermia. Abnormally high body temperature. 35. Malaria. A mosquito-borne infectious disease caused by Plasmodium parasites. 36. Dengue fever. A mosquito-borne viral infection causing high fever, rash, and severe pain. 37. Zika virus. A virus transmitted by mosquitoes, potentially causing birth defects during pregnancy. 38. Rabies. A viral infection transmitted through animal bites, affecting the nervous system. 39. Tetanus. A bacterial infection causing painful muscle stiffness and spasms. 40. Cholera. A bacterial infection causing severe diarrhea and dehydration. 41. Eczema. A chronic skin condition causing inflammation and itching. 42. Psoriasis. A skin condition marked by red, scaly patches. 43. Melanoma. A type of skin cancer developing from melanocytes. 44. Leprosy. A chronic infectious disease affecting the skin, nerves, and mucous membranes. 45. Herpes. A viral infection causing sores and blisters on the skin or mucous membranes. 46. HIV/AIDS. A viral infection that attacks the immune system, leading to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. 47. Lupus. An autoimmune disease causing inflammation in various parts of the body. 48. Multiple sclerosis. A chronic disease affecting the central nervous system, disrupting nerve signals. 49. Celiac disease. An autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten ingestion. 50. Crohn's disease. A chronic inflammatory bowel disease affecting the digestive tract. 51. Ulcerative colitis. A chronic condition causing inflammation and ulcers in the colon and rectum. 52. Diverticulitis. Inflammation or infection of pouches in the digestive tract. 53. Gallstones. Hardened deposits of digestive fluid forming in the gallbladder. 54. Kidney stones. Solid masses made of minerals and salts forming in the kidneys. 55. UTI. An infection in any part of the urinary system. 56. Prostate cancer. A cancer affecting the prostate gland in men. 57. Ovarian cancer. A cancer originating in the ovaries. 58. Breast cancer. A cancer forming in the cells of the breasts. 59. Cervical cancer. A cancer of the cervix, often caused by HPV infection. 60. Testicular cancer. A cancer occurring in the testicles. 61. Thyroid cancer. A cancer developing in the thyroid gland. 62. Pancreatic cancer. A cancer originating in the pancreas. 63. Lymphoma. A cancer of the lymphatic system. 64. Myeloma. A cancer of plasma cells in the bone marrow. 65. Sepsis. A life-threatening response to infection causing organ dysfunction. 66. Anaphylaxis. A severe allergic reaction that can be life-threatening. 67. Hemorrhage. Excessive or uncontrolled bleeding. 68. Concussion. A brain injury caused by a blow to the head. 69. Fracture. A break in a bone. 70. Dislocation. An injury where a bone is forced out of its normal position in a joint. 71. Sprain. An injury to the ligaments caused by stretching or tearing. 72. Strain. An injury to a muscle or tendon due to overuse or stretching. 73. Burn. An injury to the skin or tissues caused by heat, chemicals, electricity, or radiation. 74. Frostbite. Damage to skin and tissues caused by freezing temperatures. 75. Dehydration. A condition caused by excessive loss of body fluids. 76. Obesity. Excessive body fat accumulation that may impair health. 77. Anorexia nervosa. An eating disorder characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight. 78. Bulimia nervosa. An eating disorder involving binge eating followed by purging. 79. Depression. A mental health disorder characterized by persistent sadness and loss of interest. 80. Anxiety disorder. A group of mental health conditions marked by excessive worry and fear. 81. Schizophrenia. A severe mental disorder affecting thought processes and emotional responses. 82. Bipolar disorder. A mental health condition causing extreme mood swings. 83. Autism spectrum disorder. A developmental disorder affecting communication and behavior. 84. ADHD. A neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. 85. Insomnia. A sleep disorder causing difficulty in falling or staying asleep. 86. Sleep apnea. A condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. 87. Narcolepsy. A sleep disorder causing excessive daytime sleepiness and sudden sleep attacks. 88. Glaucoma. An eye condition causing damage to the optic nerve, often due to high eye pressure. 89. Cataract. Clouding of the lens in the eye, leading to vision impairment. 90. Macular degeneration. A condition causing loss of central vision, often due to aging. 91. Retinopathy. Damage to the retina, often associated with diabetes or high blood pressure. 92. Conjunctivitis. Inflammation of the conjunctiva, also known as pink eye. 93. Otitis media. Inflammation or infection of the middle ear. 94. Sinusitis. Inflammation of the sinuses causing pain and congestion. 95. Tonsillitis. Inflammation of the tonsils, often due to infection. 96. Pharyngitis. Inflammation of the pharynx, causing a sore throat. 97. Laryngitis. Inflammation of the larynx, leading to voice loss or hoarseness. 98. Bronchitis. Inflammation of the bronchial tubes, causing coughing and mucus production. 99. Pleurisy. Inflammation of the tissues lining the lungs and chest cavity. 100. Emphysema. A chronic lung condition causing shortness of breath due to damage to air sacs.